Hey everybody, Steel here. Welcome to my quick review of Lego set 60442. It's the F1 driver with McLaren race car. This is the 6 plus set. Just a small, quite simple, um, and not so delicate race car to actually be played with. Bonuses, those are prints. That's pretty cool. Got our cool driver in there. He's looking pretty serious. He's got a race ahead of him, obviously. But yeah, cool little car. Does what it's supposed to do. Um, Generic driver, so let your imagination go wild with regards to who that is, whether it's Lando or Piastri or I don't know, Max has moved to McLaren, or just whether it's the kid or his nemesis. Um, some accessories, just some hair, and then the obligatory spanner to fix that car with when it breaks down. But yeah, cool little set, cheap little set, and if you're celebrating McLaren's championship and drivers' championship, then yeah, go grab one. All right, thanks everybody. See you in the next one.